In this video, I'm going to show you how to add storage to your Xbox with a hands-on approach. I'll explain how to do it by building this external SSD drive myself. To do this, I'm using a Samsung 1TB drive with an Orico 2.5-inch hard drive enclosure. The nice thing is that this $15 clear case doesn't require any tools to open and close it. With that in mind, let's get this SSD installed. Because this Orico enclosure doesn't require tools, the cover just slides right off. Now on the hard drive, find the end with the connection port. Then all I have to do is line it up with the SATA connector in the enclosure and then push them together. The part I really like is the clear cover. That way I can show off or see which hard drive I have inside. Now I've got a cool external hard drive that I assembled myself. So let me show you how to set this up on an Xbox after connecting the included USB 3 cable. With the enclosure plugged in, the Xbox will ask me to configure this drive. If I choose Use for Media, the Xbox won't have to format the drive because it's already set up to store photos, videos, and other files. With this selection, the drive will also work on a Windows computer. But today, I want to use my Samsung hard drive for my Xbox games, so I'll select Format Storage Device. Here I can also rename the drive if I want. When done, select and click on the arrow at the bottom right. On the next screen, I need to tell the Xbox whether I want new games installed on the external drive or continue saving them on the internal storage. Choose your preference here, but for now I just want to keep using my internal storage. On this screen, I can cancel or begin formatting the drive. I definitely want to use my external drive for games, so I'll choose Format Storage Device. And pretty quickly, the Xbox will confirm my new drive is ready to use. Now that it's all set up, here are some final tips. This Samsung 1TB SSD can often be found on sale for as little as $89. And this setup is an affordable solution if you need more storage on your Xbox. This will also work for Xbox Series X through the USB 3 port, but it won't work with new generation games that require external storage through its dedicated expansion port. Finally, the Orico case makes it easy to use any 2.5-inch SATA hard drive up to 4 TB. A great option that will allow you to increase your Xbox storage. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.